Japan is a place where ancient tradition meets futuristic innovation, truly a world of its own. I've visited several times, and every trip reveals something new about the culture and people. If you're planning your first trip, it can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm sharing the top 10 things you need to know before you go, so you can travel with confidence and respect. Whether you're a first-timer or a returning visitor, these tips will help you avoid culture shock, save money, and experience Japan like a local. Let's dive in. Number 10. Etiquette. In Japan, respect is everything, and it starts with a bow. A simple nod works for casual situations, but a deeper bow shows more respect. Always remove your shoes when entering homes, traditional restaurants, temples, and some hotels. Look for slippers at the entrance. Pay attention to special restroom slippers too. On public transport, keep your voice down. Think of trains as moving libraries. Avoid phone calls and loud conversations. These small gestures show you understand and appreciate Japanese culture. Embrace the quiet, and you'll blend in from day one. It's a small adjustment that makes a big difference. Number 9. Cash is still king in Japan. Many small shops, restaurants, and even some temples only accept cash, so always carry Japanese yen. Not all ATMs accept foreign cards, but 7-Eleven and Japan Post Office ATMs are reliable. Withdraw enough to avoid frequent fees, especially if you're heading to rural areas. Use the small tray at registers to pay. Never hand money directly to the cashier. It's a simple, respectful gesture that shows you've done your homework. Cash keeps things smooth and stress-free. Number 8. Japan's public transit is world-class but can be confusing at first. Get an IC card like Suica or Pasmo. Just load it with money and tap to ride trains, subways, and buses. You can also use these cards at convenience stores and vending machines. Trains are famously punctual. Arrive early as they leave exactly on time. Plan your connections and avoid last-minute rushing. Follow platform markings and queue up properly. With a little prep, you'll navigate Japan's cities like a pro. It's the easiest way to get around. Number 7. The Konbini, or convenience store, is your best friend in Japan. 7-Eleven, Family Mart, and Lawson offer fresh, affordable meals, snacks, and drinks 24/7. You can eat well on a budget with onigiri, bento, and even fried chicken. Need cash, tickets, or to pay a bill? The Konbini has you covered. They're clean, reliable, and everywhere, perfect for travelers. Free Wi-Fi, restrooms, and even printers are available. Don't underestimate the power of the Konbini. Number 6. Japan runs on respect for rules and order. Always queue up for trains, buses, and restaurants, no cutting or pushing. Stand on the correct side of escalators, left in Tokyo, right in Osaka. Avoid eating while walking. Find a spot to enjoy your snack. Keep your voice down in public spaces. These unspoken rules keep everything running smoothly. Follow them, and you'll fit right in. Number 5. Trash disposal is serious business in Japan. Public bins are rare, so carry your trash until you find one, often at convenience stores or stations. When you do find bins, sort your garbage carefully. Combustibles, plastics, bottles, cans. Watch what locals do if you're unsure. Carry a small bag for your trash during the day. This system keeps Japan's streets spotless. Respect it and you'll be a welcome guest. Number 4. Onsen or hot springs are a must-try, but follow the rules. Wash thoroughly before entering the communal bath. Onsen water is for soaking, not cleaning. Enter naked. Swimsuits aren't allowed. Tattoos can be an issue. Some onsens ban them, so check ahead or book a private bath if needed. Respect the quiet, peaceful atmosphere. Onsen etiquette is about cleanliness and consideration. Do it right and you'll have an unforgettable experience. Number 3. Don't count on free Wi-Fi everywhere. Rent a pocket Wi-Fi device or buy a tourist SIM card for reliable internet. Pocket Wi-Fi is great for groups. SIM cards work well for solo travelers. Book online and pick up at the airport for convenience. Having internet access makes navigation, translation, and sharing your trip easy. It's a must for stress-free travel. Stay connected and enjoy your adventure. Number 2. Don't tip in Japan. Excellent service is included in the price, and tipping can be confusing or even rude. Instead, say "Gochisu-sama deshita" after a meal and offer a polite bow or smile. Your genuine appreciation means more than money. Keep your cash in your wallet and show gratitude with words and respect. That's the Japanese way. Number 1. Embrace Japan's seasons and festivals. Each season transforms the country. Cherry blossoms in spring, fiery leaves in autumn, vibrant summer festivals, and winter illuminations. Plan your trip around local events for a truly unique experience. Try seasonal foods and join in traditional celebrations. Don't just visit the famous spots. Seek out local festivals and traditions. This is how you connect with the real Japan. It's the ultimate way to experience the culture. And that's it, your essential guide to Japan. With these tips, you'll travel confidently, connect with locals, and experience the best of Japanese culture. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but being mindful and respectful. Your journey will be more than a vacation. It'll be a story you'll never forget. If you have questions or tips, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides. Until next time, travel safely and with an open heart.